Hi, so today we are at the first step of the process. We are going to speak about the base material preparation. Clément, what is the idea of your small PCB there?
Everyone knows what a PCB looks like, but not so many people know that in the beginning, this small piece of technology starts with such a large panel.
Yeah, we start with this, a very large panel. And during this very big process, we need to select the good brand, the good thickness to have the good PCB at the end. Let's have a look.
Every PCB manufacturer does not produce basic raw materials such as prepeg or copper foil. All raw materials are supplied in accordance with ICAPE Group's technical requirements. All materials are stored by types, total thickness, copper thickness, and brand. These large panels are already composed of copper and FR4. The copper covers the top and the bottom of the panel, and inside, sandwiched, is the FR4. FR4 composed of fiberglass and epoxy resin. This step is at the start of the PCB creation. Thus, the inspection on each batch is an essential point. There is no room for doubt. The copper and the total thickness are carefully checked. The panel must be cut to production size. Nowadays, edge finishing and panel geometry are very important for CCD registration and handling equipment. Most companies rounded the corners to secure handling and reduce scratch issues. The engineering team carefully selects the ideal manufacturing process. Each part number has its own selection of raw materials, as well as its own production process, which depends on the quantity.
Okay, Louis, so now we are done.
Absolutely, Clément. The base material process is finished. We can now move to the inner layer process. Stay tuned.